I like to frighten him. That's what's hot.
What's
it's
the
a
first
hot
one?
topic. So basically, we're all living in fear of COVID-19, but all is well here in Jamaica. Well, all is better than many other parts of the world. Jamaica yesterday recorded 8 new COVID cases, bringing the overall total to 745. As of yesterday, 6 of the new patients had recently arrived on flights from the United States. 2 were imported from St. Catherine and St. James. Meanwhile, 8 more patients recovered yesterday, pushing the tally to 599 recovered cases. Yeah?
So we don't have a whole lot of active cases right now.
It's not a lot, especially when you compare it to Florida and other
No,
places.
I'm talking about the overall number. The 500 and odd would be part of that overall number. The 10 deaths would be part of that overall number. So the active cases are like 100 and something, I think.
But as Trump said, if you test more people, you might get more people will be found to have COVID-19.
And Dr. Tufton, to be fair to Dr. Tufton,
there are 121 active cases,
right,
sorry. Let me just confirm that number for you. Yeah.
To be fair to Dr. Tufton, he did say that when the borders open up, there would be a spike. So hopefully we'll control it. Some people are still concerned about schools and stuff because I don't know how you're going to manage 1,400 and 1,500 kids in one school. I don't know how
Physically being distant.
Yeah, and then you're going to have to test them before they go in. And when I say test, with the temperature, I was thinking about something the other day that the kids will have to line up and what if somebody sneezes and they line or something, some rubbish or one. Anyway, yeah, you need a distance, but these are youngsters. I say it again, I am helping about 6 kids who are going off on scholarship, and I can't keep them apart at St. George's. So these are youngsters, so it's going to be tough. Anyway,
It will be very tough.
good news is that we've had small numbers. We pray that we don't have any numbers at all, but the numbers are mostly for folks coming into the country. Number 2, you got it. What's the next one?
Aww.
Hello?
Yes, I'm reading a really feel-good story here where Samaritans adopt a daughter of a mentally ill woman in the newspaper. Corey Robinson, great article.
Yep.
You can see that video online, Jamaica Gleaner videos. Aww.
We're going to do
Sorry, I just got caught up.
Yeah.
Just really feel good. Like, oh my God, we all help each other. What else is happening? Alarming levels of mercury is found in skin bleaching products in Jamaica, Mr. Bell.
Okay.
Yeah. So people, stop bleach. The West Indies University of West Indies. So why they put she on the picture? Sorry, I just like skin bleaching. Okay, white people bleach too. Okay, I never knew that.
And mercury, it doesn't help your immune system. It hurts your organs. It hurts your kidney. It hurts your liver. It hurts almost every part of your body. Too much mercury is just not good for you. So
yeah,
well,
it can cause damage to the human gastrointestinal tract, nervous system, kidneys, as Neville is saying. People, the study has come from the University of the West Indies that published it, saying that it contains alarmingly high levels of mercury, these bleaching agents. The other day I was driving, Neville, and a man walk out of the house, a black man, and his face white up with some cream. And I'm driving with my children, having to spend the next 15 minutes explaining that he's sick, he has a mental condition, he's colonized, he's being programmed. I had to drive for 15 minutes and explain what that was. And, if we could only just go back to the studies of Garvey, who did, basically, these bleaching creams should be a criminal. To sell it in Jamaica, you should be charged. And I'm asking for us to review our laws on these things. When you see this, not just a health condition, but the mental health condition of people who would dare put that on their face. We have an amazing problem. We have a major problem, and I'm hoping that we can address it. But please, people, 60 skin lightening products are available on the Jamaican market right now. And those 60 need to leave our country right now.
The final part of that, it says creams were found to contain more mercury on average than lotions and soaps. They said of over 300 participants interviewed, females younger than 30 who use skin lightening products more than once per day were determined to be most at risk for high mercury exposure.
So mercury is in other lotions as well.
Can't help you. It can't help you. But next one. Next one.
What's the next story? Usain Bolt. I'm all over it. There's so many hot topics. So I love this name. There is the Lightning Bolt's beautiful daughter.
Olympia.
Good morning, Casey Bennett. I know you're up this morning. How you feeling, baby mama? Well done, sweet lady.
Olympia.
What a beautiful girl. Let's reveal the name now. Baby was born on May 17. Are you ready for the name? The reveal. I'm sure a lot of people have caught it already. But if you haven't, the baby's name is Olympia Lightning Bolt. I love it. I love it. Look at her
picture.
photo
That's
shoot
beautiful.
right there. Yeah, very sweet. You know, when I see this, it makes me want to get pregnant again. Casey, go on and have another one for me, darling, because it is so beautiful.
So why you don't want to get pregnant again?
Yeah, get old now. Casey young. She just turned 30,
How many
celebrated
kids
her
How
birthday.
many kids you wanted originally?
I wanted 6.
And you have 2.
I have 2. And I have 100 plus at Maxwell Park
So you're still
Children's
going to
Home.
have 4 more kids?
I have 100 plus at Maxwell Park Children's Home. Good morning to all my children
Are you still
watching.
gonna
My
have 4 more
sons,
kids?
my daughters.
You're still going to have 4 more kids? You said
Me?
you wanted 6.
I did. I wanted. Past tense.
So how many you want? No,
I have 2.
you don't want any more.
I have 2. They're beautiful. I love my children.
Congrats again to World Best and Casey. And God
Yeah.
bless. God bless.
And she just celebrated, as we said, her 30th birthday the other day. So
Yep.
happy birthday, my
The
lady.
United States notifies United Nations that they're withdrawing from the World Health Organization. Mr. Trump was formally notified, although the pullout won't take effect until next year, meaning it could be rescinded under a new administration or if circumstances change. In other words, if Donald Trump loses and is not the next president, then the next president could decide that he doesn't want to move away from the WHO.
It's so.
What
yeah.
else you got there?
What else I got there? I'm just stuck on the Samaritans adopting a daughter of a mentally ill woman. I just think if more of us took children who are in need of care, what a better world this would be. Otis James of the James and Friends Foundation, philanthropist Anna Chang, what's her name? Liao. Lialo?
I don't know.
Helping this beautiful little girl with a pair of shoes. Listen, in the Gleaner, page A6. I just love
There
these
was an
stories.
Australian woman who went to Iraq and adopted 2 boys. They never had any arms or any legs. And she knew it. She knew before she adopted them that they never had any arms and legs. To me, that is, I don't know, love that like that in life. She knew before that they never had arms or legs, and she still adopted them.
The message is there's some extraordinary people in this world, and you can be one too. That's the hot topic.
You are one. You are one.
You can be. No. Some people watching not extraordinary at all.
No, they are. They just don't realize it.
Oh, I like how you're thinking. We all have the potential and the ability to be extraordinary. Let's take a break with some cubs.
It's a matter of News in 5 when we come back, because Shane is here.